Forget dropshipping. Forget crypto hype. If you're serious about building real, consistent income in 2025, this video is your wake-up call. You can start these 5 no-BS side hustles right now without needing a huge budget, quitting your job, or wasting your time on scams. Let's dive in. Welcome to No BS Hustle, the channel for people who are done with talking and ready to execute. If you're here, you're not looking for shortcuts. You're looking for clarity, strategy, and proven side hustles that work in 2025. Let's break them down one by one. AI Content Creation Agency. Start a small agency offering content creation powered by AI tools. Use ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, and tools like Midjourney for visuals. Package content services for small businesses, influencers, and busy entrepreneurs. What you can offer: Instagram post designs, Twitter, X, Threads, blog articles, LinkedIn content packages. How to get clients: DM local businesses on Instagram, use Upwork or Fiverr to build reviews, leverage cold email outreach. Potential income: $500 to $3,000 a month with just 2 to 5 clients. Why it works in 2025. AI is making content creation faster and cheaper. Businesses care about speed and consistency, not who wrote it. Faceless YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel without showing your face or recording your voice. Use AI voiceovers, stock footage, and viral script writing niches that work. Horror stories, business motivation, celebrity gossip, news tech explainers tools. You can use Pictory.ai or InVideo for video creation, 11 Labs or TTS Maker for voiceovers, ChatGPT. For scripts monetization, YouTube Ads, affiliate links, merch, or digital products. Potential income: once monetized, $500 to $10,000 per month, depending on views. Why it works. YouTube is still the second largest search engine. You can build a brand without being the face of it. Newsletter plus affiliate marketing. Start a niche email newsletter and monetize it with affiliate links. Steps to start: pick a niche. Examples: tech tools, money-saving tips, fitness gear. Use Beehive, ConvertKit, or Substack to launch post short-form content on Twitter, TikTok, or Instagram to grow subscribers. Monetization options: add affiliate links in your emails partner with brands. Sell your own digital products later. Affiliate. Example: recommend a $100 tech gadget via Amazon affiliate. You earn 3 to 5% per sale. Promote a premium tool like Notion, Canva Pro, or Jasper with higher commissions. Why it works in 2025. Email isn't dead. It's more personal and has a much higher conversion rate than social media. Digital product. Sales, Gumroad or Etsy. Create a digital product once and sell it infinitely. No shipping, no inventory, no customer service headaches. What to sell: Notion templates, resume templates, printable planners or journals, niche ebooks like 30 Days to Mental Discipline. Where to sell: Gumroad for creators, Etsy for planners and templates promotion. Tips: use Pinterest or TikTok to drive traffic. Make short YouTube videos showing how your product solves a problem. Why it works. It's passive income after the upfront work. You make money in your sleep. Skill-based freelancing with AI Edge offer. Simple freelance services but use AI to finish jobs faster than competitors. Examples: resume writing with ChatGPT. Video editing with AI tools like Runway ML, podcast transcription with Descriptor Auto.ai. Platforms to start on: Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn. Key: be honest. Let clients know you deliver fast and clean. Use AI ethically, not lazily. Income potential: $20 to $100 an hour, depending on niche. Why it works in 2025. Speed is king. Clients care about quality plus turnaround time, not how many hours you spend. You don't need $10,000 to start. You don't need to go viral on day one. You need one idea backed by discipline and powered by execution. Pick one of these side hustles. Go all in for 90 days. Track results, learn, adjust, repeat. Don't be the person who watches 100 videos and starts nothing. Be the one who starts today. Comment below. Which side hustle are you going to try first? And hit that subscribe button for more no BS, straight to the point. Hustle content. This is no BS hustle. Let's get to work.